and enjoyed the heck out of that, and got to know some of my Washington wines. And I was one of the few Minnesotans that actually could tell you the difference between a Washington Merlot and a California Merlot. The California Merlots suck. And the Washington Merlot, until you've had a Washington Merlot, you don't know what a Merlot could be. Yeah, sure, you betcha, right? Hey, you Minnesotans? So we'll get back down to Walla Walla at some point, but I'd like to play in a different tuning and play a piece called Church Bells, which goes back to my youth and if you haven't heard me before, I grew up at a time where you didn't get a text on your phone to remind you to go to church. God, that is just horrifying. Maybe it was that. Could it be? What happened would be that you would wake up on Sunday morning and you would hear the church bells, right? And that was a happy time for me, and I was learning to play the guitar and playing sometimes at church, which is where I think this reverb comes from, because it was a great big huge church with about a 6-second reverb. When you'd play a note and you just go, wow, I sound awesome. Thank you, Jesus. I see you right there. And so this piece is called Church Bells, and it recalls a happy time. And for me to get back to writing music was a happy progression from this point of, well, could I even sound halfway good playing the guitar upside down and backwards, which is a lot like typing like this. Anybody got that down? Or would that frustrate you just a little tiny bit, maybe? Yeah. Well, you do this tomorrow, all day. Knowing that you can go back to this is a whole lot different than knowing you're going to be stuck with this. But the joy of writing music again brought back this idea of the Sunday mornings growing up. And you're hearing all these church bells going off all around the neighborhood.